Healthy eating isn't just about healthy products, it's about thoughtful food preparation. Here is a list of some common mistakes that can lead to foodborne illnesses. Handling money, then handling food, storing meat over vegetables, not wearing aprons, and then doing multitasking like taking out the trash and then coming back and cooking people's food. That's a no-no. Also, not wearing hairnets. You probably already know this, but the program wants to remind you to prevent illnesses. Foodborne illnesses are caused by microbes and pathogens in food. To prevent foodborne illnesses, here are some things you can do. First, make sure you're pulling your hair back or wearing a hairnet or a hat. Secondly, wear clean clothing and make sure you remove your apron when doing other tasks outside of prepping food. Make sure to wash your hands regularly and change gloves when preparing food. Thaw meats under running water at a temperature of 70 degrees Fahrenheit or below in a leak-proof package or container. If you are gonna cook or use items fast, then it's okay to thaw things out in the microwave. Store raw meats, poultry, and seafood under ready-to-use items to prevent juices leaking and blood dripping onto ready-to-eat items. Properly cover or wrap all items. Make sure that you're using separate cutting boards for raw meat, vegetables, and ready-to-use items. Always wear gloves. Your refrigerator should be 40 degrees Fahrenheit or below. When refrigerating raw meat, poultry, or seafood, they should be sealed and stored securely at the bottom of the refrigerator to avoid leakage of juices and blood. Cleaning work surfaces is a good way to cut down on bacteria growth. Clean the surface with soap and water, then rinse the surface, then sanitize the surface, and the last step is letting it dry. It's good to keep in mind items in your store that can be reused and the ones that can't be reused. Never reuse items that have been pre-prepared or returned to your store. Never reuse items such as condiments, pickles, fruits, rolls, or bread. It's not safe. Pre-packaged condiments such as ketchup, mustard is okay. That was a lot. But thanks for listening and for being a part of making communities healthier.